Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Izzat bin Ramzi, and today I would like to present from Group 5 about wheel alignment and balancing for BVA 2124 drivetrain maintenance. Okay, what is actually wheel balancing? Okay, wheel balancing refers to compensation for any weight imbalance in the tire and wheel combination, where it often performed in conjunction with wheel alignment. So, balancing involves putting the wheel or the tire assembly on the balancer machine, which center the wheel and spin to determine where the weight should go. Okay, when is we needed to do the wheel balancing? First and foremost, when we want to do a wheel alignment, we need to balance the wheel and check any imbalance tire weight. Okay, second, when we feel the vibration in the steering wheel at a certain highway speed, or vibration in the seat of the floorboard at a certain highway speed. Alright, this is the few listed benefit of the wheel balancing. First, it ensures smoother ride and more enjoyable driving, where the tire and wheel spin without causing any vibration for the driver and the passenger in the vehicle. Then, it for a better wear from the tire, which means saving time and money. Then remove stresses and strain on the wheel bearing and the suspension component. Alright, there are two types of balancing in the balancing operation, where is static balancing and dynamic balancing. Okay, for the static balancing, it addresses balance on only one plane, which is vertical movement, which can cause vibration. Then the dynamic balance, on the other hand, is address balance in two plane, which is vertical movement and lateral movement. Both of the type of balance require the use of a special balancing machine to help even things out. Tire balancing is essential for proper tire care, for the same reason as wheel alignment, which is prevention of premature tire tread. Having tire aligned and balanced every 8,000 to 9,000 kilometers can help maximize their lifespan and overall performance. Alright, after this we will be showing methods on how to operate the wheel balancing machine conducted by our group member, which is Muhammad Irfan Hazwan bin Aslan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Irfan Hazwan daripada Bulan 3. Hari ini saya akan menunjukkan satu demo untuk membuat penyembangan roda, iaitu wheel balancing. Sekarang ni saya akan menunjukkan antara jarak tayar ni dengan mesin ni. Kita akan ukur lah. A menunjukkan distance jarak bagi tayar ni lah. Okay, kita akan ukur. Okay. Menunjukkan 9.5 sama dengan 95 lah pada mesin. Seterusnya kita akan menunjukkan cara untuk mengukur lebar tayar ini. Kita akan menggunakan tool yang disediakan, iaitu width caliper. Kita akan mengukur menunjukkan 65. Kita juga boleh mengukur dengan cara merujuk pada spek spok rim yang disediakan pada spok rim. Menunjukkan 65 jugalah. Okey. Kita akan pilih untuk B. Bagi lebar tayar tu lah 65. Okay, ni 65 Seterusnya kita pergi kepada cara untuk mengukur radius tayar ini. Okay, radius bagi tayar ini adalah pada radius 15. So kita akan pergi kepada 15 lah bagi radius tayar ini. Kita menguji lah sebab kita rasa. Okey, outer ni menunjukkan pada digit 13 untuk berapa berat atau berapa gram yang perlu ditambah dalam untuk sport rim ni lah. Okey, inner dia pada digit 0, maknanya kita tak perlu tambah batu lah. Bagi mendapat kedudukan yang tepat, kita mestilah lampu ini mestilah selari ataupun straight line. Okey, ini kedudukan yang tepat lah. Okey, nombor ataupun digit 13 ni kita bundarkan pada nilai yang terdekat lah, iaitu pada nombor 15. Kita akan menambahkan pemberat itu pada digit 15. Okey, bagi untuk menambahkan pemberat itu, kita mesti tengok straight tayar ni dan kedudukan lampu ni lah straight. Okay.
Cuba membaca nanti dia punya apa ni.
Sebelum ni nampak tadi ni dia apa?
Dia sebenarnya dia atas ni, filter rabbit. Di sini dia perlu calibrate. Bang ini dah calibrate. Tapi kita buat dinding ni. Dia dulu dinding ni dia papan dia pecah. Bila dia buat batu, di sini dia pecah. Bila dia alihkan.
Okay, digit pada kosong, maknanya tayar ini sudah seimbang lah.
Semua
Sekian, terima kasih.
lari yang hati dia masuk.
Okay, for this segment, we will be sharing on what is the wheel alignment. Alignment refer to an adjustment of the suspension of the car, the mechanism that ties with the vehicle wheel. It is not the tire or wheel themselves that being modified. The adjusting the tire angle that affect on how they make contact with the rod is the key to the proper alignment. This means that vehicle should be drive evenly. It helps the car to travel down the road as straight as an arrow without overstressing one side or the other. Okay, when is the alignment is needed? First, when the uneven tread wear on the tire, then when the vehicle is pulling to the left or the right, or your steering wheel is off the center when driving on the straight line. And then when we feel a vibration on the steering wheel when driving on the highway speed. When adjusting the alignment, there are three main factors that should be reconsidered, which is the camber, toe, and caster. Okay, for the camber can be seen from the front of the car. This is the inward or the outward angle of the tire, where too much inward or outward turn can also refer as negative and positive camber, which reveal incorrect orientation and will have to be adjusted. Camber misalignment can lead to worn bearing, ball joint, and other wheel suspension component. And at the right side, we can see the picture of the figure will indicate example of negative camber and positive camber. And for the toe in and toe out, toe alignment is the degree of which, when viewed from the above, when your tire turn inward or outward. For the toe out, is the front of the wheel pointing away from the center line of the vehicle, and for the toe in is the front of the wheel pointing toward to the center line of the vehicle as shown on the above slide. As for the caster, the angle of the caster help balance steering stability and cornering, specifically as seen from the side of the vehicle, which is the orientation of the steering axis. If the caster is positive, the steering axis should be tilted toward the driver. On the other side, negative caster means steering axis tilt against the front of the vehicle. Okay, what is the benefit of wheel alignment? First, it reduces wear on the tire, smoother driving, where lack of vibration at high speed, straighter driving with no pulling to one side or the other, and improve safety and maximize the tire lifespan. Okay, to operate wheel alignment machine, our member Amirul Ashraf, Muhammad Aslam, and myself will be showing on how to use the proper wheel alignment machine.
Sekarang kedudukan tayar, titik tengah roda mesti berada di dekat ni, center dengan kedudukan ni. Dan bahagian belakang pula untuk safety, keselamatan, kita letak stopper supaya kenderaan ni tak bergerak. Okey, lepas pada itu seterusnya kita akan lepaskan handbrake. Untuk seterusnya kita akan pasang sensor reflector atau lebih dengan wheel sensor adapter. Okay, for safety kita akan tambah lagi tali untuk pegang sensor.
Sebelum kita memulakan proses alignment, kita cek dulu tekanan tayar. Baru dekat sini ada dia punya ukuran tekanan tayar. Lepas tu kita ceklah dia guna alat ni. Kita guna alat ni. Ni, tengok tekanan. Ini sudah memadai lah. Okay. Belakang ni kita cari model dulu Terus kita search
customer data.
Lepas tu kita nama. Lepas tu next. Tekan next.
Please select a model.
Lepas tu kita pilih model kereta kita. Kita pilih model Sian. Sekarang kita guna kanci, kita tekan kanci lah. Lepas tu next.
Vehicle specifications.
Ini
Please check the wheel clamp and all 4 grabbers are installed
cara
correctly.
pemasangan yang tadi. Tengok sini, ini cara yang salah. Yang betul, okay? Untuk mendapatkan bacaan yang betul, kita kena gerakkan seperti yang ditunjukkan dalam monitor ni lah. Gerakan kereta tu dalam ke belakang dan ke depan. Okay. Kita teruskan sana. Tambah satu lagi. Okay.
Ini adalah untuk safety, kita break. Terus kita akan longgarkan skru. Longgarkan ni, kiri dan kanan. Okay. Dan untuk adjust ni. Okay, refer pada tu. Refer pada tu. Oh, okay.